When I open up my ears, a whole new world appears. I love to listen to the sounds everybody hears, like a kitten that is purring or a bus that's shifting gears. Listen, open up your ears, open up your ears. Can you hear what this bear hears? A dog is howling with a siren as it nears. There's caterwauls of alley cats, moos of cows and steers. Listen, open up your ears. When you open up your ears, it fills you full of cheers. Don't let a thunder crash bring you to tears, 'cause the cozy sounds of raindrops will chase away your fears. Just listen, open up your ears, open up your ears. Each day a song premieres, the birds sing and the bees hum as the sun appears, and crickets chirp a symphony when the evening clears. Listen, open up your ears, just listen.